Okay. Good morning, students. So today we are going to study about the letters. We are going to study what sounds does a letter make. Okay, आपके letter क्या होते हैं? Normal ABCD जो होता है उसको हम letters बोलते हैं. So today we are going to study their sounds. Okay, their sounds. Let's read the question. Look at the picture. Listen to your teacher and repeat after her. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये pictures देखना है and I am going to explain it to you. आपको you have to repeat after me. Okay, so we have over here the first letter is A. Okay, the first letter is A. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. So we have over here A for apple, A, A, apple. A for ant, ant. A for axe, axe. Let's do it again. A for apple, apple. A for ant, ant. A for axe, axe. Then we have the second letter is B. Okay, so we have B for ball, ball. B for bus, bus. B for bird, bird. So let's do it once again. B for ball, ball. B for bus, bus. B for bird, bird. Then we have the third letter is C. Okay, the third letter is C. Okay, so let's do the sounds of the letter C and let's read these pictures. So we have C for cat, cat. C for cap, cap. C for cup, cup. Let's do it once again. So we have C for cat, cat. C for cup, cup. C for it's C for cap, cap. C for cup, cup. So what we did, we studied today 3 letters and their sounds. So the sound of letter A is A, the sound of letter B is B, and the sound of letter C is K. So keep practicing. You have to keep on reading these words. Okay, thank you.